The abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of a garden, patio, and even a public spaces. Experimenting with the different metals such as copper, stainless steel, you can add a unique touch to your creation. Additionally, consider crafting functional items like planters, trestles, or a fire pit to cater to the wide range of potential buyers. Beyond the aforementioned project, custom signage of the personalized home decor item are in high demand. Welding metal sign with the codes, house numbers, family names can add a personal touch to any space. Additionally, creating a custom fireplace, candle holder, or a wine rack can cater to the specific interior design preferences, make them a highly desirable. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video, and keep watching for interesting videos. Thank you so much. To maximize the potential for your welding project and add ideas to sell like a hotcake, it's essential to promote your work effectively. Utilize social media platforms, craft fairs, and the online marketplace to showcase your creation and reach your potential buyers. In this video, we are going to show you some amazing welding project for a beginner that will inspire you and that will tell you how to reduce your carbon footprints, building a strong online presence, and engaging with the potential customer through captivating photographs, informative description, and the regular update will establish your brand and attract your buyers. By embarking on welding project and add ideas from scratch, you can tap into a market that appreciate craftsmanship and the uniqueness. Metal wall art, custom furniture, garden sculptures, jewelry, personalized signage, or the home decor item are just a few examples of projects that have the potential to sell exceptionally well. Remember to stay true to your creative vision, adapt to the market trends, and effectively promote your work with a dedication, skills, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirits. Your welding creation can become a hot cake in the market, and you will be able to earn a handsome amount of money. Passion for outdoor spaces, welding, garden sculpture, decorative element can be a successful niche. Sculpture of animals, flowers, and an opportunity to generate income by selling your unique creation. In this video, we will explore a variety of welding projects and art ideas that have the potential to sell like a hotcake. Thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you some amazing welding projects and the art ideas from scrap that will sell like a hotcake, and you can earn a handsome amount from these projects. So let's get started. One popular welding project that never goes out of style is a metal wall art. Metal wall art pieces can range from abstract design to intricate pattern, provide versatile canvas for your creativity. Consider incorporating nature-inspired elements like tree, leaves, and the animals, or option for modern and the minimalist design to cater to a different taste. By experimenting with different texture, finishes, and colors, you can produce one of a kind piece that will captivate buyers. and other luxury welding project is the creation of custom furniture and the decor pieces. With the rise of industrial and the rustic interior design trends, there is a growing demand for furniture pieces that incorporate metal enchant, welding together steel frame for coffee tables, chairs, or the bookshelves, and pairing them with the reclaimed wood or the glass tops can result in a stunning and sought after pieces. The combination of durability, functionality. Here we are back. Thanks for being here. Good morning, and thanks for watching my channel. First one is removal of contaminations. Metal surface often have contaminants such as rust, paint, grease, or dirt. Scraping helps to remove these substances, ensures a clean surface for welding. Contaminants can affect the quality and strength of the weld, welding to poor weld penetration or weld defect. Scraping roughness. The surface increase the contact area between the base metal and the welded materials. This enhance and improve the quality and strength of the weld joint. By scraping the metal surface, you expose fresh, clean metal. This allows for better heat transfer and weld penetration, resulting in a strong bond between these base metal and the welds. Scrapping metal provide opportunities to visualize impact of the surface for any defect, crack, or irregularities. Identifying and addressing these issues prior to welding helps prevent further problem and ensure the higher quality weld. Scrapping metal removes loose particles and debris that could potentially become airborne during welding. These airborne particles can be hazardous to the welder health, so proper surface preparation through scraping is essential for safety. In summary, scrapping metal before welding is necessary for beginner to ensure clean surface, improve and weld penetration, visually impact for defect, and promote the safety during the welding process. Safety is necessary during scrap welding for several reasons. Welding. Here we are back again. Thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some welding projects for beginner, scrap metal arts, upcycle metal, and metal do-it-by-yourself decoration projects. So let's get started. Welding is a fascinating